decision.
Kwan mar ji mohewo 1,000 mojote puodho mar Maweni Settlement Scheme e Mtwapa e kaunti ma Kilifi koro dwani piny owacho mondo ochungi chenro mar chiwo obok mag lope ne jodak ma alworano nyaka tim nonro matut. Ma gikoni en bang' yango ni kwan atamalo maduong' mag jogo mane ochwal nyingi ne migawo mar lope mar yudo oboke ok gin jodak ma alworano, kendo jogo mosedak kanyo nonego yudo oboke ema koro nyinge gionge. Gikoni chenro mar pogo lopno ma en eka 57 nota maonge apisa mawuok e migawo mar lope kata duol mochung' ne weche mag lope pacho ka chenro magituoni ne ota mana gi kweth maluongore ni kamati ma bende gichich ni geto yako lopno.
Baada ya title nimesikia zinakuja, nikapata baadhi ya viongozi ambao nilikuwa nawauliza. Sasa mimi nimesikia title zinakuja, na title kama zinakuja na hao watu hatujaonyeshwa list, hatujapata allotment letters na hatujapewa namba yoyote ya kuonyesha kwamba sisi tutaweza kupata haki ya hii shamba. Kila mtu atajua mahali pake ni gani. Sasa hii kitu itakuwa vipi?
The list you were given was not the genuine list of the Maweni squatters. What they did, the committee itself, walijialokitia shamba ya Maweni. Unapata committee member mmoja akona plot zaidi ya 50. Lakini majina yenye ameandika ni majina ya marafiki zake, familia yake, na watu wengi walipewa plot za Maweni hata hawajui Maweni iko wapi. So, even the way the allocation was done, who mandated this committee to do allocation? Where were the government officials?
The communities in Maweni, the actual community in Maweni is the Kenyan person who is poor. And this land is being given to them by government. It cannot be true, or we cannot allow a situation where government officers within Kilifi County are going to take land that belongs to the poor.